Boom! Oh yeah, this was my entire video made for you guys. Basically, this video came about because I wanted to use my beautiful neon green wig. It's a wig again, and I got a lot of people asking me for really quick hairstyles that you could do, and these ones came to mind today. They're super easy, so just before you immediately like tell yourself no, it's like I'm not gonna do it. It's easy. If you have any questions regarding the hairstyles, please do not hesitate to ask. The wig itself is by VPFASHIon. They have beautiful extensions and beautiful wigs. I actually custom dyed it this neon green, but they have a ton of other wigs that you could check if you want to try it. It was a super cool and easy wig to work with, so I would recommend it for any, especially any starter wig person, because the fit of it is insane. I swear to God, I make hair videos for a living, but usually this is how my hair is always, just like 90% of the time it's just like a little scruffy bun. Anyways, I'm gonna link all of that down in the description box below. I also decided to put on these custom made earrings and necklace. What's it called? They're by Giovanni Raspini, and they're one of those like you build your own jewelry things. So I decided to put this on with my name and this really cool earrings. Jewelry was from Gaba here in Malta. So yeah, enjoy your life, enjoy your day. I hope you're not too tardy because you're watching this video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.